Hey guys, it's your girl Amani. Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how I put together this vanity for under $250. So if you're interested, keep watching. I have a special guest. Would you like to say hello to the people?
What it is today. You're with Handyman Dan.
Okay. Well, anyways, so here I have a desk. I got it from IKEA. I'm gonna leave the link for all this down below. I'm gonna find it. But I got the desk from IKEA. It was like $189.99, I believe. The chair, I think it was on sale for $20. And then I got the mirror for about $20 as well. And same for these vanity lights.
What, $20?
Yeah.
Damn, that's more than $250. Boy, if you don't.
No, it's not.
$199.
$189.
Oh, 180. That is $250. $189.
Yeah.
20.
Yeah.
20.
Yeah.
That's $250.
Yeah. The camera died, but the show must go on, so here's where we are. Thanks to my wonderful husband over here. And the husband. So guys, this is the final look of the vanity. If you notice, I taped the little strings to the back just for a neater look. So that's how it looks. I look rough, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Me built my lovely vanity. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below any other content you guys would like to see from me. And just comment down below so we can talk. So everything that I use in the video will be down below. I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna try to find everything. I will do my best, okay? But anyways, like I said before, thank you guys for watching.